I'm often asked if a person has a right to refuse the consent to a search. And the question is absolutely. A person has a constitutional right under the Fourth Amendment to refuse consent to a search. Police officers often ask for consent to search because they don't have a legal basis to get a warrant to conduct a search. Now, such encounters will be very uncomfortable for the person. The police officer will make comments such as, "What do you have to hide? Why are you resisting my request for a search?" However, the citizen needs to refrain from any concern that they're doing the wrong thing. They're absolutely exercising their constitutional right to be free from unreasonable searches and seizures. A citizen can ask to speak to a lawyer, but the officer has no obligation to allow the person to speak to a lawyer regarding consent to search. It's simply a question of whether the individual is going to agree to consent to search or not. In a situation where the object to be searched is a vehicle, the officer has a right to conduct a warrantless search of the vehicle if the officer has probable cause to believe that there is contraband within the vehicle. Such things as the smell of burning marijuana emanating from the vehicle is enough to give the police officer probable cause to search the vehicle. However, in situations where the officer does not have probable cause or a lawful basis to search the vehicle and consent to search is asked, then the person must and should decline consent to search. It will make the case much more defensible in court if the person does not consent to the search of his home, his vehicle, his briefcase, or any other place where the officer wants to search.